So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to blur a background of an image here on Fotor. So once Fotor's opened up, I'm going to go to the left-hand side and select a photo that I might want to blur the background of. So for example, right here, if I wanted to select, maybe what would be a good example? Perhaps this photo right here of this person shopping. If I wanted to blur the background, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the photo, go to the top left, press on edit photo, and there's a bunch of different options you can actually go with. Blur background is one of them, so it'll sort of focus on this area right here and blur the background. So if I wanted to go to blur the background right here, it's going to show me an example on sort of how this works. So it's using AI right now to blur the background. So as you can tell, the background is blurred. It's not perfect just because obviously the photo they're showing some bags being held. So you can kind of play around with it, do what you got to do. Maybe if I wanted to show you guys another example, perhaps find a photo that could work a little bit better per se. How about this one right here? I'll go to this flamingo floating. This should actually work a little bit better. Same idea. I'll go to blur background right here. It's going to use AI right now to blur the background, so it should focus the flamingo and blur the rest of the background. There you go. You can press apply, and now your photo looks as follows. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can blur the background of an image here on a Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.